across the country just like you, look and feel years younger in minutes.
So I've had under eye bags for a very long time and it sucks. And I took the Plexiderm 10-minute challenge and I'm not joking. It works.
I'm Mila. I'm a professional personal trainer. It's so important to take care of yourself. Testosterone, seriously, it's amazing. There's nothing there. Like, the bags are gone.
Amazing results with the naturally based silicates found in shell rock. Once applied to your skin, firms, rapidly reducing the appearance of under eye bags in minutes. So if under eye bags and wrinkles look tired and older, try it today for only $14.99 plus for free shipping. Visit plexidermtrial.com or call the number on your screen.
WeatherTech's Cup Phone protects your phone from flying around inside your vehicle. With removable cups, it fits virtually any cup holder and adjusts to virtually any phone. It's easy to keep cup phone clean, and it adjusts to the perfect position so your phone stays secure and handy. Plus, the desk phone makes working from home easier too. Order the American-made cup phone or desk phone at WeatherTech.com.
We're a different breed, aren't we? While others work, we choose to work. Where others are content, we stay hungry. They may not see us coming, but we know exactly where we're going. You won't rest until you succeed. Neither will we.
As of tonight, at least 100,000 people have died from COVID-19 in the United States. That burden has fallen hardest in two places: the nation's dense cities and our nursing homes. Washington, D.C., the home of our nation's capital, as well as some of the very hard-hit neighborhoods, and among them, many of the people who have done the hard work of keeping that capital and its district up and running in frontline and essential jobs. The mayor calls the first stage stay-at-home life. It will begin on Friday. But some tough statistics in her city are cause for concern. They make up nearly 47% of Washington, D.C.'s population and 46% of the city's COVID cases. But they account for nearly 75% of the deaths. Joining us now, Muriel Bowser, Mayor of Washington, D.C. Mayor Bowser, thank you very much for being with us tonight. What concerns do you have as you look towards reopening on Friday? Thank you. As you look towards the reopen on Friday.
Well, I think the big thing, Martha, is that certainly our government have sacrificed a lot to let everyone preserve, but we know that the virus continues to circulate in our city and region, and indeed in our nation. So people have to stay at home, as you mentioned, like lifting, going on slowly activities. So people will be able to go to parks, outdoor dining at restaurants, and personal services added back. But we can't just go back to large gatherings and the same activities that we were doing in March until we know we've